How to log out from all devices in Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log out from all devices in Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are two ways on how you can do this. First of all, open up the Instagram application, come to the profile page, tap the three lines icon, go to settings, then go to security, then go to login activity. Here you'll be able to see all the devices where your Instagram account is logged in. You can tap the three dots and then tap the logout button, and this is just too much of a time consuming. Or else what you can also do is you can just change your password. When you change your password, any device is logged into your Instagram account is going to be logged out automatically. Now there is also much more easier way, but this only works if your Facebook account is linked with the Instagram account. So if it is linked, then you want to simply open up Facebook, tap the three lines icon, tap the gear icon over here to come to settings, then tap on account center. Then under it you have to go to password and security, then go to the option called where you are logged in here, and then over here you have to select your Instagram account. So you can see Facebook logo, you can see Instagram logo. This is the Instagram account. Tap on it. Here you'll be able to see all the devices logged into the Instagram account. Select them all here, tap on logout, and all devices are going to be logged out from Instagram. That's it on how you can log out from all devices in Instagram. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.